And do I just one day turn from being a student to being on the wards trying to save people's lives? So I'd be interested in knowing what your experience is with that.
Okay. Yes, I would say it was extremely scary. That first day when you wake up, you're prepared, you're going to go on the wards, and you don't know what's going to happen. But actually, you had so much support, so many people around you, helping you, everybody's been there before, and people just want to help you. You learn every day. It is tiring, but it's completely worth it. I always wanted to be a doctor from a young age. I also didn't get my A-level results that lovely day in August, and you get your results. But I went and did another degree. So I did pharmacology at Liverpool, and then I did the 4-year graduate course also. And you have 6 months or a year in Liverpool to get used to working as a doctor, following other doctors in your last year. And that really helps. So you've still got lots of support around, and it is a real privilege, and I wouldn't want to do anything else. And I would just encourage, if you don't get the results, if you get knockbacks, keep going.
So I think what's really good to see, isn't it, that you've got two very determined people here, so determined to get into medicine. So that there's lots of people like these two out there, and I'm sure there'll be people in this audience who might not be lucky enough the first time round, but the important thing is if you think that you have those skills and you might reach those sort of academic requirements, not to give up. It is a difficult situation. We often hear of people with fantastic results who don't get into the medical school, but I think you need to be careful not to focus too much maybe on getting into exactly the medical school that you want to get into, and in the area that you want to. Maybe keep your options open, really, to try and maximise your chance of getting in.